Okay, another quick review of midpoint formula with some practice below. And the midpoint formula is pretty straightforward. Okay, so here we got this means the midpoint of, and what it's going to do is it's going to be in the form of an x and a y value. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to get that. So if I want to find the midpoint of this line segment AB here, I'm going to know, or I'm going to want, right, an x1 comma y1 value and an x2 comma y2 value. And it doesn't matter which one you call x1 or y1, x2, y2. That means is that you could have called these the x1, y1s and these the x2, y2s. As long as you're keeping with the ones with the ones and the twos with the twos, the formula will work out for you. Okay. So the midpoint then, as I plug it in, I'm going to need some values from this. And so let's grab those values. It's going to be a -2, comma, a -1 here. And it is going to be a 4, comma, 3. And so let's plug these in, see what we get. All right. So the x value of the midpoint is going to be a -2 plus 4 divided by 2, comma, and then the y value is going to be a -1 plus 3 all over 2. Okay, so what we want to do is clean this up, and so I'm going to clean this up right here. We know up top that's going to be 2, and that is going to be 2, and so it looks like the midpoint of that line segment right there is going to be 2 divided by 2, which is 1, 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So our midpoint is going to be 1, 1. And so you can see that it looks like, if you were to even imagine going like this, right? It should look like some steps there that are going to be exactly the same. Okay, so it should be right in the middle of that line segment AB. So give the ones down below a try and check your work against the PDF that follows. See you in the next video.